recording.
Okay. Who are you?
Not me.
Who's he recording? Alright. We're gonna do take 2 on the chainsaw chopper. I mean, this guy, he's a real massacre on this thing. You see this shit fire up. Here it is here. Wait. I forgot I was filming, but there he is. Master Ninja Turtle friggin' chainsaw choppers. Take 2.
Take 2.
Take 2. Take 2.
My
Take 2 because 1 ain't enough, right? Take 2. Here we go. 1 second, Chris. You alright? How you doing? Hold on, hold on. There it goes. 4-wheeler. Never mind the 4-wheeler. We got chainsaw choppers. There he goes. Still going. How's it going, Chris? Chilling like a villain. Here's Chris. Never mind, now don't be camera shy. Give us a smile. There he is, there he is. Here comes.
Here comes fake boy Marcel.
Oh, that's so nice. It's the Master Ninja Turtle chainsaw choppers right here. Rock and roll, that's awesome. That's take 2. Here he comes again. Rocking out, look at that. Had to be at least 65. 65.
Over home, I stopped by.
Good shit, Marcel.
Alright.